What is cell first? The smallest structural and functional unit of an organism is called cell. All organisms, whether plants, animals or microorganisms, they are made up of cells. Now, history of cell. Robert Koch first discovered the cell in 1664 while examining a slice of cork under microscope. Koch observed that the slice of cork is made up of tiny honeycomb-like compartment and he called this compartment as cells. Now, cell theory. Two German scientists, Matthias Kleiden and Theodor Sichwan, proposed cell theory. Cell theory states that all organisms are made up of one or many cells. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. The cell theory applies to every organism in the world. Structure of a cell. Though cells may differ in shape and size, all of them have same basic structure. A cell contains both living and non-living things. The main part of any cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Now, cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost covering of the cell. It is porous membrane and semi-permeable in nature. Semi-permeable means it allows only certain substance movement in and outwards. So plant cell, they have an additional layer outside the cell membrane called cell wall. An animal cell lacks the cell wall. Now, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a viscous jelly-like substance present within the cell membrane. It is site for most of the cell's chemical reaction. Various cell organelles are present within the cytoplasm. Now coming on to Golgi apparatus. So this is one important cell organelle and it is made up of several membrane-bound fluid-filled sacs which are stacked together, and this is responsible for packaging and transporting of fats and proteins. Also helps in the formation of lysosomes. Next, about vacuoles. Vacuole is a fluid-filled space enclosed by a membrane and it stores excess of water, useful minerals, pigments and many other substances. Now, lysosomes. It contains a chemical substance called enzyme. They are capable of digesting cells. In times of emergency, lysosomes burst and destroy the cell. Hence, they are also called as suicide bag of the cell. And this is important for one mark question. So, which is called suicide bag of the cell? Lysosomes is called suicide bag of the cell. Now, endoplasmic reticulum. It is an interconnected network of tubules and channels. So this involves in the synthesis of storage and transport of cell products. Ribosomes. Small granular structure found scattered around in the cytoplasm, and this is primary site for protein synthesis. Sometimes found attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Such type of endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. On the other hand, smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have attached ribosomes on it. Now coming on to mitochondria. Double membrane bound body. It is spherical or round body, act as a site of energy production called the powerhouse of the cell. So mitochondria, it is otherwise called as powerhouse of the cell. Now next is about plastids. So this plastids found only in plants and this is double membrane bound organelles. The shape is spherical or ovoid in shape. Next is about centrosomes. These centrosomes are present only in animal cell and this initiates and regulates cell division. Now, nucleus. It is considered as brain of the cell and spherical body surrounded by double membrane. It is called as nuclear membrane and this bears many spores and it is called as nuclear pore. In the nuclear membrane lies semi-solid nucleoplasm and it contains several thread-like structures called chromatin fiber. And this chromatin fiber only carries genes in it. Nucleus also bears one or more rounded granules called nucleolus, and this nucleolus is important for protein synthesis.
Hope you like this video. Thank you.